Hi friends, it's me Stace. Today we are trying out the Yashe food dehydrator. I bought this off Amazon. I want to say it was like $99. I will have it linked below. It's a very nice looking appliance, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of room. And it is 9 trays, so I'll show you what comes with it. So you have this bottom piece. I guess you can use this for fruit leather. I'll probably just use it as a drip pan. It comes with 9 of these mesh screens and also 9 of these trays. It also comes with a little recipe booklet like that, and also, hang on, let me get it. Basically like a little instruction manual. Okay, so we're going to go in the book, and we're going to try to make these ranch carrot chips. They look kind of yummy. So you're going to need 3 large carrots peeled, 1.5 tablespoons of water, and a packet of ranch dressing. I did not have ranch, so I went ahead and used Italian, and they are right here. All right, so we're going to move all this out of the way. I am going to use these mesh screens. All right, so we're going to go ahead and assemble these. I'll do some of them with you, then I'll turn the camera off and come back on. But you can see they're pretty thin. I used my mandolin to cut these. You want to have them, spacious enough apart. All right, so we're going to keep on doing it like this. Get another one in there. Okay, so I'm going to keep on loading these up, wash my hands, and we'll come back to the dehydrator and get it started. Alrighty, I am back. I have 3 trays of carrots. I did not use them little pieces there. And now we're going to load them up. Since I'm only using 3 trays, we're able to space them out a little bit. So I'm going to put 1 on the bottom and 1 toward the top, and then 1 in the middle. They smell really good. All right, now the booklet says, let's grab that. All right, it says to dry for 145 for 8 to 12 hours. So we're going to power it on. And then we have time and temperature. So we're going to go temperature first. Now, if you are using Celsius, you would just hold down this temp button until it changes. Okay, so I'm going to go back and go to Fahrenheit. And we're looking for 145 degrees. It does go in 5-degree increments. All right, so we have the temperature, the time. It says 8 to 12 hours. I'm going to go, let's see, time. I'm going to go 9 hours, and we'll try that out. All right, then just hit start. There is also a light. Another nice feature with this dehydrator is you're able to put the light on so you can kind of see your food without having to open the door. All right, I'm going to let these go, and we'll come back in 9 hours and see how they taste. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, we are back with our carrots. We are almost at the 4-hour mark. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see what that looks like with the light on. All right, let's go ahead and have a look here. So they definitely did shrivel up, which they're supposed to do. They're not done yet. I'm just going to see if I'm able to flip them over without breaking them. They smell really good. So if I would have put them on this tray here, they would have stuck for sure. Yeah, they're still very much pliable. Now I know with dehydrating, you want to let it sit out or take it out of the dehydrator, like kind of cool off a little bit. Then you can tell if it's really done. But I can just feel that they're still fairly wet. Let's grab this one if I'm able to without breaking it. I think that one might break. It is really thin. Yeah, we're going to leave that one go because I can't get it with one hand. Oh, there we go. You can bend the mesh, and that does help. All right, bend that. There we go. All right, I'm actually going to leave this one out so I can taste it, and we're going to come back. I would say they're close. All right, let me taste it. So letting it sit on the counter for about like a minute or so, just to let it cool off and get rid of all the heat that's in there. It definitely is chewy, so it's not done yet, but the flavor is good. All right, we'll come back in another hour or so, and we'll check on them. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, we are back with our carrots. The machine turned off, and they've been in there for 9 hours. Let's see how they look. See if they're done. So they do snap in half, which means they're nice and dry. Let me go and taste one. They're pretty good, actually. Let me taste another one. You can see how they bend. You want to let them, now this one still is a little bit bendy. You want to let them cool before they'll crack in half like that, or break in half. They're pretty good, actually, though. Try them again with some ranch dressing. But they're all done. Good to go. All right. So the dehydrator worked as it should. 9 hours, is that exactly how long they took? And they're actually pretty good. They're pretty flavorful. All right, my friends, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this short little video of the Yashe Dehydrator. I'll have a link below. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I'll just provide you guys with a link in case you're interested in getting this model for yourself. It does come with it has 9 trays. Again, it also includes 9 mesh sheets and that tray down here. I'm not sure if this is for fruit leather or not, or it was just the bottom tray, but there is an arrow on it. But anyway, my friends, that is it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.